Welcome to Upstart Press. In this video, I will show you how to generate QR code in Canva. To do that, open Canva website. Go to canva.com, press create button, this plus icon. Click custom size. I will select 1000 by 1000 pixels canvas. Once you have the canvas, from the left side, click apps icon. Search QR code and hit enter. There are many free apps. I will select QR code, this app. From here, select open and here enter the URL. Let's take URL from this website. Enter URL and press generate code button. And here is the QR code for that URL. You can scale it to your liking. Then click share button at the top right. Click download button. Keep it PNG or you can select JPEG. Then you can click download button to download this QR code and share it with anybody. This QR code will point to that URL that we entered. And this is how you can create QR code in Canva easily. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.